Hi, beautiful natural lovers. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Shauna. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're there from day one, big up yourself. Alright, so before I jump into the video, remember to like the video, share the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet. I'm going to be using some Eco Style gel, rubber band, hair jewelry, two beads, and my brother natural hair. Alright, so I'm gonna get these two big plaits out. So first thing first, I am going to be making a center part. So the hairstyle that I'm doing today is two cornrows with a side cornrow as well. So you'll see, guys. So just watch the entire video. So I'm gonna be making the side part for my small cornrow. I'm gonna start off cornering my hair, then I'm gonna be adding my brother's natural hair as an extension. So there it is, my brother's hair. I'm gonna be adding the beads to my hair end, to the hair end of this cornrow, using a blacky rubber band to hold it into place. Then I'm going to be cornering my hair. I'm also going to be adding my brother's natural hair to my cornrow as well. After I'm finished doing the cornrow, all I'm going to be doing is just stretching the hair out, to make it look flat. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did on this side over on that side. with my hair end, I am going to be crisscrossing them like just like that, and I'm going to be using bobby pin to hold them into place. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Eco Styler gel and do my baby hair. Last thing is to add some hair jewelry. And that's the outcome of the hairstyle. Beautiful. She is pretty. Look at those cornrows, y'all. So neat. So neat. I love this hairstyle. It's simple, it's classy. Yeah, she's popping. Yeah, look at those corners. Yeah, so neat. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the outcome of another video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like the video by clicking the thumbs up and let it turn blue. Share the video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Until next time, big up on yourself. Bye everyone.